see, key, eat, seat, team, free, liter, people, email, freedom. Freedom is inside of you. You just need to unlock it. It, if, is, 6, miss, big, middle, busy, listen, integrity. Develop your character so that you are a person of integrity. 2. Shoe, blue, food, routine, music, new, true. 2 things you will never have to chase: true friends and true love. Full, book, foot, would, could, should, pull, woman, sugar, fullness. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. Hot, not, from, what, God, gone, shopping, hobby, copy, honest. Honest hearts produce honest actions. Bar, car, card, park, star, laugh, tomato, after, father, heart. Put your heart, mind, and soul into even smallest acts. This is secret of success. Up, cup, bus, luck, come, front, color, mother, under, love. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. Saw, bought, talk, walk, warm, your, daughter, water, autumn. Core value. Whatever things you go through, you stay true to who you are and your core values. Said, read, head, leg, bread, friend, again, letter, many, emptiness. The usefulness of a cup is in its emptiness. Map, hat, back, man, plan, have, camera, family, traffic, habit. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. Bird, word, work, earth, first, learn, service, prefer, early, learn. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Again. Master. Lemon. Number. Alphabet. Salad. Address. Pronunciation. Intelligence. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Ear. Real. Here. Here. Beer. Beard. Nearly. Dear. We're. Clear. A clear mind achieves success. Air. Care. Hair. Fair. Where. Chair. Aeroplane. Where. Stare. Care. Nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care. Tour. Cure. Pour. Spore. Do. Sure. Tournament. Ashore. Tourist. Sure. Be sure to taste your words before you spit them out. How. Now. Loud. House. Sound. Round. Vowel. Mouth. Thousand. Power. Knowledge is power. No. Toe. Low. No. Show. Old. Boat. Home. Phone. Hope. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. Buy. Why. High. White. Like. Time. Dry. Night. Right. Fire. Love in its essence is spiritual fire. 8. Name. Day. Play. Say. Grey. Break. Great. Table. Change. Change before you have to. Oil. Boy. Toy. Coin. Point. Voice. Choice. Joy. Enjoy. Joyful. A joyful heart is the inevitable result of a heart burning with love. Pen. Path. Stop. Happy. Stopping. People. 1. A piece of paper. 2. Push or pull. Peacefulness. Peacefulness is being at peace with yourself. Big. Be. Verb. Robber. Hobby. Football. 1. A big business. 2. What's your hobby? Beauty. Beauty is in the heart of the beholder.
10. Top. Bit. 20. Water. Better. 1, 2T to 22222. 2. My hobby is taking photos.
Tolerance. Tolerance is an essential ingredient for a happy marriage.
Day.
Deep.
Good.
Decorum.
Address.
Ladder. 1. I am a doctor. 2. What's your daily routine? Desire. The starting point of all achievement is desire.
Cat.
Keep.
School. Kindness. Kitchen. Careful.
1. I am an accountant.
2. I go to work at 7 o'clock.
Kind. A kind word is like a spring day.
Gull. Glass. Go. Exactly. Bigger. Garden.
1. I go to bed at midnight.
2. I do gardening once a week.
Give. To give is to take.
Feel. First. Laugh. Cafe. After. Autograph. 1. What's your phone number? 2. I have breakfast at 5 o'clock.
Faith. Have faith in yourself, faith in the infinite.
Very. Have. Leave. Travel. Every. Diving.
1. I live in Quang Province.
2. My brother is 7 years old.
Value. I am a value person.
Thanks. 3. Month. 30. Thursday. Thirsty. 1. I am 13 years old. 2. I like going to the theatre.
Thinking. Your thinking influences your action.
This. That. These. Together. Without. Breathe. 1. There are 3 people in my family. 2. They are my father, my mother, and me.
Worthy. Convince yourself every day that you are worthy of a good life.
Sit. 6. Class. Supporter. Sister. Pronounce. 1. I study English at 6 p.m. 2. I like to listen to music every morning.
Simplicity. There is no greatness where there is no simplicity, goodness, and truth.
Zoo. 0. Size. Easy. Zenith. Scissors. 1. My sons like playing games. 2. Roses are my favorite flowers.
0. To create is always to learn, to begin over, to begin at zero.
Shop, cash, fresh, international, ocean, mission. 1. I go shopping with my mom. 2. She is a chef.
Action. Ideas without action.
Television. Asia. Usually. Revision. Measure. Massage. A. Do you like sport? B. Yes, but only on television, usually.
Vision. Vision is a picture of the future that produces passion.
Hat. Here. Help. Who. Whose. Whole. 1. Hello, how are you doing? 2. I come home from work at 5 p.m.
Happiness. Happiness is seeing life for what it is in all the little moments.
Choose. Watch. Which. Future. Question. Kitchen. 1. Which questions did you choose in the exam? 2. I often chat with my friends.
Choice. Everything you are comes from your choices. Job. Jam.
Age.
Jacket.
Orange.
July. 1. What's your job? 2. Who's that wearing a large orange jacket? Energy. The energy of the mind is the essence of life.
Me. Mind. Comb. Autumn. Lemon. Summer. 1. Sometimes in summer. 2. My middle name is Mai.
Mission. Make your life a mission, not an intermission. Nice. Sun. 1. No. Dinner. Sunny. 1. A sunny afternoon. 2. My family has dinner at 7 p.m. Knowledge. Without knowledge, action is useless, and knowledge without action is futile.
Long. Sing. Think. Evening. Finger. Hungry. 1. Thinking about things. 2. In my free time, I like going fishing.
Song. Life is a song, sing it.
Learn. Leave. Feel. Alone. English. People. 1. When shall we leave? 2. I'd love to listen to music.
Light. No situation is so dark that there is not a ray of light.
Red. Right. Rap. Ready. Really. Sorry. A. What are you reading? B. I am reading a romantic story.
Respect. Treating others with respect speaks volumes about you. Weak. Wit. What? Language. Where? 1. 1. Swimming in warm water. 2. My family always watches TV together at 8 p.m. Wisdom. Patience is the companion of wisdom. Yes. You. Year. Yoga. Yesterday. Beautiful. A. What do you do in your free time? B. In my free time, I like doing yoga. Yin, yang. Everything is made up of yin and yang energy.